from a given disaster.
If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Bex, a bridal hairstylist in London. If you are looking for someone to style you on your special day and you are in London, feel free to contact us. Here is our website, hairbychrisbex.com.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in